When someone reaches your profile, there are 5 things that they glance over before deciding whether they want to follow you or move along. What's up, friend? My name is Chelsea, and I'm going to tell you today how to convert that person that stumbled upon your profile into a follower or potential buyer. Today, I'm going to be using my profile as a demonstration. The first thing is your profile picture. You wanna make sure that your profile picture looks professional. You don't wanna have a selfie and you don't wanna have a picture of a bunch of people. You wanna represent yourself and your brand. You wanna be smiling and you wanna make sure that you have eye contact with the camera. Number 2 is your name. So your name should reflect who you are and what you do. Make sure that you're using keywords that your target audience would be searching for. Number 3 is your bio. Now this is really, really important. Your bio should tell people why they should follow you, what your content is about, and what they're gonna gain from your content. Avoid using hashtags because this is gonna lead people away from your profile. Have a call to action in your bio. So my call to action is telling my followers to check out my favorite kids' clothes. I recently did a brand deal with Wolfie and I loved their clothes. They granted me 20% off for anyone who uses my code. I added this link within my store instead of just on my profile so that anyone who lands on this page has the opportunity to check out anything else that I have to offer. My 2 favorite platforms for setting up a store are Beacons and StanStore. We'll talk a little bit more about how to set up your store in another video, but I will link both of those down below. Make sure you have your email button available on your profile so that brands or customers can reach out to you and you can have a more professional conversation off of the platform. Number 4 is highlights. Your highlights should be well put together with highlight covers that match the theme of your profile, and there should be a description of what each one is so that people can find what they're looking for within your highlights. And number 5, your profile grid. Just like your highlight covers, your profile grid should have a theme to it as well that does also match your highlight covers. The way that each photo and video looks on your profile should have a similar look and feel to it. Think creating a vibe for your ideal avatar. How would you like them to feel when they come across your profile? Do you want them to feel warm and fuzzy like they're in a coffee shop? Or would you like them to feel excited like they're gonna go on an adventure? Whatever it is, you want to create that vibe for them. You can achieve all of your photos and videos looking similar by using presets or similar colors in all of your photos or videos. Everything should be aesthetic and matching from your name to your profile grid. And that's how you will convert a scroller into a follower or a buyer. Well, since you've made it this far, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. It's free and I appreciate the support. I'll see you on the next video. Stay weird, friend.